Hey guys, we are playing, and I quote, "Birds aren't real" again. Now guys, this is referencing a real conspiracy theory, so if you guys are afraid of being watched or the fear of birds like was, it's scary sometimes, the idea of your whole life can be monitored by the government. But to be honest, birds are obviously real, you know. I'm not a believer in the Google this bird. I'm not a believer.
Well, then you can't see it.
I'm not personally a believer that the government is always watching us, because, like, what do I have? What do I gain? Like, how much criminals would have been caught? Okay, from Subway. Hey, okay, this is the opening. A long time ago, the US government decided to make drone birds surveil its citizens. This task has been enforced has been involved for major historical events. They saw practice. The Wallgate scandal. Obama's election. Obama, your mama! However, the conspiracies have begun to emerge. One town in particular in Galilea is roaring with conspiracy. Is
the
roaring?
election may result in the biggest conspiracist to be the era. Birds aren't real, and then he smacks it good. He falls down. Agent! Glad to see you safe. Glad to see you're safe. So you've crash landed. Your mechanics must have become rusty. Don't worry, you're still in shape to complete your first mission. Let's get a quick diagnosis. Check on it. Oh no, you play as a bird.
If we're playing as a human, stopping the birds.
Oh no, you play as a bird attacking people.
Oh, sad, I really want to play, because fuck birds. No, I'm joking.
The reason I picked the game is because Taylor, the fact he plays a bird killing people.
You take fact, didn't Candy King play this game?
There's a ship meter, so yeah. This was a rough landing, B-102. Yeah, let's run a diagnosis scan to see what we're working with.
Bird 102, of course.
We're missing the propeller. It's going to be a problem on satellite imaging. It says it's outside of the Earth. Locate the gate key and recreate the propeller and avoid at all costs. Suspicion at all costs. We cannot allow our prying eyes to compromise our mission. I already know how you walk around these games.
Look how obvious you look.
Nah, I look like a real bird. I look like a robot. I love the way the game looks. That civilian is suspicious. He'll become hostile soon. Get the fuck away from me, laddie! It's like Andre Sindelar. Press F if you want. So it's a stealth game, I like this. You know what, I've only got one episode, but actually can only make a sequel if this is good.
That's a big F though.
Okay,
Jim, I think you need to jump on the chat. Oh,
that's probably just you know, I can't. All I can do is make sparks. Oh, propeller, now I can fly. OST is good. Propeller installed.
Guys, if this conspiracy theory is real, it's not going to be as painfully obvious. The government isn't full of idiots. I know sometimes it feels like it is. Take a fat juicy shice on them.
How'd I get that? Sandwich shift. Good work. Your propeller looks to be working for That's civilians back. Let's see who they are. This isn't good. Your civilian database has been wiped. You'll need to recover all the data yourself. First place, allow your trackers to target by poop. Second, take a picture of their face. This can be a action automatically followed to target the database.
So what do you guys believe? The government is ruling it, or that birds are smart and are actually electronic swatches? Or it could be aliens, of course. What do you guys believe?
I can't pick Google. Oh, here's what happened.
Because conspiracy theories is a thing that
Poop
we
or
all
flying
have
away.
opinions. Like, James, what's your personal opinion on this conspiracy theory?
I think why the bird shit then.
Well, it could make sense, because shit is white, and I don't know if you guys know this.
Caution, poop causes hostility. Get away from me!
Take a pic.
Engage H defense. Lose line of sight, hide and camouflage. Polish. Get away from me!
Take a poster!
Oh no, get away from me. Get away from me. Oh, kinda kid, you've got to play this game. Access camera at C.
You ever wonder if Sonic Candy can wonder if he's everyone fuck while playing a game?
I hope he is. I really hope he has one. Fuck. Hey. I actually really like how the game looks. It's
he kinda looks like a guy from Jurassic Park.
The game looks dumb. Of course it looks stupid as fuck. But I kinda like it.
Fire!
I kinda like. Oh, James L.
James, you just got an L!
Fuck! The game just told me I got an L! I just started! Well, hello there, James. He's one of the main conspiracy theorists. Keep an eye out for him.
Just kill him, huh?
Hey, my little bad guy. We'll be getting a visit from Agent 0 soon. We're assaulted with federal agent and attempted destruction of federal property.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Great work, B102. Continue using your poop tracker to restore the film
Fuck these guys.
While you do not have time, send your instructions for your first mission. Good luck, our agent.
Seriously.
Fuck party pooper. This must answer poop. Or
fat shoot.
these town folks are celebrating the anti-birds mayor destroy your decorations.
Honestly, I might have to agree with him, huh?
Come on, avians aren't that bad. I actually really like the way you fly, that you actually pull out an umbrella. Look, it's done. Okay, let's we have to shit on everyone, so we might as well
take an image of him first.
have to take an image of No! Foliage.
Just try it. You never know.
Jasmine now.
Try her.
Need to shit on him. Why? What the fuck's the shit in obsession in this game? The shitty obsession, man. WWE. Not even that.
Get off it. Oh, that's
The tab, right? Exit. Doesn't. It's left check, right?
Get off.
Yep. Around the one, it was
In the bullshit.
it was. Camera gone. The button I pressed was C.
If you CK him. Shit
I'm only flying. I'm only a blue birdie. Should I spend most of my time getting all people, or should I spend?
Yeah, I think you should.
That's how to do it. Wow!
You're basically looking up a bird's asshole. Like, I hate birds. But I can't say you don't deserve that.
So just go start shooting on everyone. Sorry to act shitty.
James, you got them. You covered them so shit, they're stinky. Take a picture.
Like, I can get it without having to, hide there. Oh, come on, I don't want to hide the foliage. If I want to try it, we'll do it something else. If I want to try hiding up here. Fucking bastard! I did with shit on them. Okay, I'm gonna first take out my prey one by one. Taking out all of them at once is
So what do you
death
believe?
sentence.
Do you believe in this conspiracy theory?
Please stop talking about conspiracies, talk about the funniness.
Yes, but
They
this is a
convert-
serious question, I'm wondering. Do you believe
Why
in
are we
this
talking about serious
conspiracy theories?
questions? I'm asking.
Well, do you believe in it or not?
No.
Okay, why don't you believe in it?
Because I want to play a game!
Yes, but you're not giving a justified reason of why you believe it or don't believe it till thanks. I'm trying to have a serious conversation about conspiracy theories, sir.
Did you just call me sir?
No, Peck, so you don't seem suspicious.
L-E-T. Oh, you just... what the fuck? You lost interest in me. No, pick a guy, no, go ahead. He's there. Oh god, how terrible.
Wait. Can we pause?
This game is...
Sorry.
Okay, where were we?
Should me and James play it?
DLC and maybe, I like it.
James, if I can remember your victims like that bitch and shit.
I don't think it's really nice to talk to these people, but... Oh, yeah, no,
No!
This game, all things considered, is actually pretty good. I could, you know...
Try and break up balloons. That's the whole reason you're meant to do it. No, you're meant to. You're meant to pack it.
Pack it.
Now you're meant to pack your own shit.
Why I do that?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna go hunt everyone like a predator. With slowly. Or gentlemen, I don't know. To get that shouting. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, yo, no!
That's a
And
hat.
then Matt L. Goodbye, my pet. And I think we should react to all 4 of his last fears, his last style theory, his last food theory, his last film theory, and his last game theory.
And react to a few ones I want to react to for Josh Plays, and a few ones we want to react to for Cheat Plays. Because there's a few I do want to react to for Josh
There's
Plays.
a few Josh likes that I don't do.
Oh, hey guys,
Wait,
did
the
you see
screen's
my
becoming
ads
more-
at an Eddie Powerless fail?
You should. If you didn't, you should.
I don't blame you, it is an hour.
I like when games actually have the screen changing to when you get hurt.
I liked that episode, it was really fun.
Our radio towers can't support you from this distance. Any further and you'll crash. Feeling it?
Yeah, and so what?
Well, he's right though, there's an island to shit on it. Ain't gonna shit on it. Where are you going? Get back to your work. No. I'm a predator hunting his prey. Please don't take these out.
I'm a predator and a prey away is mine.
Oh, wait. Birdie, oh come on, Birdie. Your name is Birdie?
You should have been called Shataya. Oh, so we're gonna play
Jenny, what? No last name?
Guys,
Just
we-
Jenny? You fucking asshole!
We will be playing Spawn PS4 DLC. I don't know if we should percent the game or just play with DLCs.
I don't 100% of the plan for DLCs.
I don't know if we should. It would take so long. I think maybe the side quests and backpack and completion missions, since there's actually up stories and the tombstone ones. But I don't know.
I want to do all that stuff for fun. And also, you know, I want to grind. Like, I was like, okay, I'm not going to grind, but for this, I want to play the A1 new missions powerfully.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey,
Maybe I've just
what?
Maybe-
Subject hidden? What do you mean?
Look down.
What do you mean subject hidden?
Now try it. Try it now.
What are you talking about tablets? Bastard.
Fuck your emo Hera.
Look shit. Pun fully intended. What are you staring at, you fucking Bob the Builder looking cunt? Get out of my fucking way! Get out of my way! Well, when you see birds and they scream get out of my fucking way, you better get out of my way.
Man, I knew I come from New York City, but I wouldn't have expected them to be that New York.
Okay, JC, that's
No hate to offense you, New Yorkers.
That's funny. There's a rapper called Jay-Z, that's her name. Jay-Z. I don't know if it's a rapper or if it's a character or something. I know someone has like standing well.
Someone in this world of 7 billion fuckers.
Soda. Is her name Soda?
Shut up, Soda.
Coco Z. How many people are in this godforsaken town? No, come on, don't hit
Oh,
me.
the boomer, take a boomer. She only has a few years left.
Just hit everyone.
What?
That's what I get everyone over my watch list. Okay, I would hit her. Just let some people. Oh, yeah, you. Yeah. These children are actually easier to hunt off. Please don't take that off. No context, guys. The children are easier to hunt off. Just can I just? Can we just talk? Just you're not focusing on the game at hand. I was stunned.
You fat shice time
He's not
like that.
stunned.
You stunked.
She. Well, I had the ability to shoot multiple times and so on, and not like it have a use.
Because sometimes you just really hate someone. Huh?
Yeah. Game's actually really fun.
Yeah, next person you see,
All things
fucking shit
considered.
will load on me. Just absolutely decimate them.
All things considered, this game is actually pretty fun.
Now like and subscribe if you guys know shit. I know I'll pitch on it.
Okay, they don't have like a flap that opens. It's just spawning. It's just fine.
I expected it if it's a main gameplay feature.
Yeah, but it's gross.
I know, but
Come on, show me your pretty face, AB. Let's just go fuck all killed you all this time.
oh wait, shoot, kill.
Really great big picture. This is a galley.
You didn't take a picture of that one if you remember.
No. This reminds me of Hitman games. I'm Agent 47. How do I take a look at my one? I mean, I do the whole work. I don't even remember how I check on these people. Run. Oh shit. Oh shit, I said run.
Not sure you say shit.
Yep, I should say fly. No, you bastard!
Should we just, like, just do a job? You know what, when you find the mating, I'll shit all out on him.
Okay. Come on, just don't take a picture, you Jay-Z. Yeah, I did all the work. Just...
So what do you guys believe?
This game is actually pretty fun. Now, I just don't believe in the avian robot theory, because are we talking about pigeons? Are we talking about all birds? They never explain that. Because there was on dinosaurs.
Well, humans weren't alive back in historic times, were we? Oh, were we?
Or what if we died in 2012 and every single thing after us has just been a dream? I mean, even if it was, my life wouldn't change much.
I mean, it does mean that Jurassic Worlds aren't real, but maybe that makes it a better thing, honestly.
Is she gonna hit me? Can I take her soda out of her ass?
Comment down below if you guys like Jurassic World more or Jurassic Park more.
Let's see. You bastard! I'm a pigeon! Seriously, you see a pigeon walk up to you and you throw stones, you're a monster.
Oh, and monster.
The music cuts off playing, that's so weird.
Shit in my mouth. Get in my mouth.
She's aiming! Aim, ready, fire! Sheesh.
People are locked and loaded, so... Right, you need a shower.
This is the thumbnail.
Okay, you take
well, we started.
You take a fat chest on filming.
Wait, that's
Was that none? Yes, the perfect target.
Wait, who's this?
Okay, the thumbnail will be with her.
I already took